basically I have to study for doctor
हम्म
and what's it called? Every other type there
हम्म
is
हम्म
for doctors
हम्म,
because I want to be an ER doctor.
अच्छा।
So I have to study for every single
हम्म,
course.
नहीं ये तो इंडिया में भी सेम होता है ना कि आप बेसिक आप पढ़ते हो, एमबीबीएस, फिर
Yeah.
स्पेशलाइजिंग करनी पड़ती है। ईआर मतलब कान नाक वो ना, ईआर कौन सा?
No, ER is like emergency department.
अच्छा, या मैं, अच्छा फिर बहुत वो इमरजेंसी वाला। मैं भाई ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ ना, मैं जब खून को देखता हूँ ना तो आई कांट स्टैंड इट, कि थोड़ा कब दिल कमज़ोर है।
कुछ लोगों को होता है.
हम्म,
There's this one person in my class. We were dissecting. He couldn't like see blood. I don't know why he took that course, by the way, but
हम्म,
you're gonna see blood. But then he fainted, and everyone was trying to like care for him more than the actual like the person we actually cut open,
हम्म।
which was chaotic scene.
आपके तो क्रेजी स्टोरीज होते होंगे। मतलब आपका सेकंड ईयर चल रहा है ना, कौन सा ईयर चल रहा है?
Second.
कोई क्रेजी स्टोरी जो हुई हो? आपकी तो बहुत भयंकर भयंकर चीज़ें हैं। पढ़ना बहुत पड़ता है, बस बात हो जाती है। हाँ बस वो है।
To study a lot. Chaotic scene though, what I told you right now, that was very like because he just fainted. He didn't wake up until like 10 minutes
ओ
after.
डैम।
Everyone was stressed. Everyone was stressed, and yeah, basically.
दूसरी बॉडी डाइसेक्ट करनी पड़ती
But
है।
it was, huh?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ फिर दूसरी बॉडी डाइसेक्ट करनी पड़ती है।
Exactly. The one body was open on the side. It was just laying there, and then he fainted right beside us.
क्रेजी। ये होते काफ़ी कॉमन होंगे। टीचर ने शायद वार्निंग भी दी होगी कि अगर कमज़ोर दिल के हो तो दिल थाम के।
Yeah, but it's weird because if you know you're gonna faint when you see blood, why are you taking that course? You
नहीं
know you're gonna see it in the future.
पर कुछ लोगों का, अब देख, बोलने की अलग बात है, वो प्रैक्टिकली लाइव, इट्स नॉट एवरीवन कैन टेक इट। और ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर लाइव केसेस के बहुत डिफरेंट होते होंगे, बाद में
Maybe
आएंगे।
because here in high school, since I've done high school here, right?
हम्म।
You in grade 11, I dissected a pig in bio.
ओके वाह, ठीक है।
So that's where you see blood. You see blood in that pig, right? He probably done that too.
हम्म।
So
अच्छा, आप गुजरात से हो तो आप वेजिटेरियन भी होंगे फिर?
hey, I eat chicken and stuff. I eat.
नहीं, पर आप हो वेजिटेरियन या नहीं, वो आप खा रहे हो वो अलग
Well,
बात
yeah,
है।
I'm vegetarian. I eat it because
हाँ हाँ, चॉइस नहीं है।
they don't really know, but
अच्छा अच्छा।
it's
नहीं,
something.
पेरेंट्स वेजिटेरियन है पर आप खाते हो?
Yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा। नहीं, आई थिंक कनाडा और ये बाहर की कंट्री में वैसे ही बहुत इतना है कि वेजिटेरियन थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है।
नहीं मिलता है because people are vegan here, right? You can
अच्छा।
find vegan and vegetarian stuff
हम्म।
pretty easily, but since I play like sports and stuff, I don't have a choice
प्रोटीन।
to not eat it because protein
हम्म।
चाहिए.
कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हो?
Badminton,
अच्छा। इट्स,
singles.
नहीं देखो, ये तो हम भी नॉर्मली खेल लेते हैं, पर प्रोफेशनली थोड़ी खेल रहे हैं, आप तो मज़े के लिए
See,
खेल रहे हो
I
ना।
play like at a professional level. I played for my university,
ओह डैम, नाइस।
so I need protein
अच्छा
because I
अच्छा।
don't eat a lot. So
हम्म।
I
नहीं, पर इट्स बैडमिंटन बहुत फिजिकल स्पोर्ट है, कि मतलब मैं भी, हमने भी खेला है, मतलब
yeah.
इतना प्रोफेशनली नहीं, पर मज़े के लिए कि साथ साथ में खेल रहे हैं। पर आपको हर जगह शटल कॉक आगे पीछे भागना पड़ता है, इट्स वेरी फिजिकली बहुत स्ट्रेनिंग है, वैसा है। नहीं
Yeah.
नहीं, अगर आप पास में होते ना तो आई वुड लव टू हैव अ मैच। आई लाइक टू कंसिडर कि मैं बैडमिंटन में ठीक हूँ, पर अगर आप बोल रहे हो यूनिवर्सिटी में खेला है तो फिर खेलने में मज़ा आता, फिर वही है।
I I was heard in Western Ontario
हम्म,
in I think I got this in grade 9, 10. 10 I think.
अच्छा।
Third in Western Ontario.
कितने टाइम से खेल रहे हो आप
Singles.
बैडमिंटन?
badminton.
नहीं, पर कितने टाइम से खेल रहे हो बैडमिंटन आप?
Since I was in high school, I started playing in high school. Grade 9 से.
ग्रेड 9 से, तो 4-5 साल से ज़्यादा ही? नहीं, 4-5 साल कैसे? चार, हाँ 5 साल, चार
ऐसे
पाँच साल
4 तो हो गए.
हाँ
Plus 6 साल.
हाँ हाँ, वही हो गया।
But I used to play before it. It's just not as competitively.
एज का डिफरेंस पड़ता है कि व्हेन यू गेट ओल्डर फिर थोड़ा लगता है कि कंपटीशन यंगर ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया खेल रहा
If you want to start when you're older, yeah, it makes a difference.
है।
Because physical fitness you need.
नहीं, पर ऐसा होता है,
Especially in singles, you need to be fit.
नहीं जैसे आपकी एज हो गई, अभी अभी भी आप यंग हो, जैसे 24-25, फिर उनके अगेंस्ट कोई यंग आएगा तो फिर वो यंग वाला ज़्यादा बेटर करेगा ना।
Yeah, it's obviously, yeah. Because they have more stamina and energy than you.
एजिलिटी ऑल्सो,
Huh?
एजिलिटी भी तो उनकी ज़्यादा होती है, फुर्ती ज़्यादा होती है।
Yeah. Yeah. It, I mean, there can be people who are better, like professional players, right? Like when you see PV Sindhu or like Saina Nehwal. Those players, they train so hard that their internal age, they're not aging intern, like they're just aging up from outside, you know? So it's different for everyone, honestly. Because I train people and they're almost like in their 30s and sometimes they play better than me. They can beat me sometimes.
ओके, आपको अपना गेम बढ़िया ना
It's just,
पड़ेगा, गेम अपना बढ़िया करना पड़ेगा। ऐसे 30 साल के
yeah,
हाँ लोग।
that's the thing. And then the other thing is, since I teach them, I can't really go hard on them. I have to make them learn. So, yeah.
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
But it's different for everyone.
नहीं, पर बढ़िया ही है। आई थिंक एक स्पोर्ट होना चाहिए सबकी ज़िंदगी में, कि कोई भी कुछ भी पसंद हो, वो फिजिकली वो
Yeah, I
रहना
agree.
चाहिए। आजकल के बच्चे अगर मैंने,
No, it helps you both physically and mentally.
हाँ
Like,
हाँ,
I
डेफिनेटली,
wasn't good in studies.
हाँ
Right, I was not good in studies at all when I was in like grade 8 and stuff. As soon as I started playing sports, it changed, completely changed. My marks went like 90s above. Right? So it does helps you focus more, I'd say.
फोकस ऑल्सो एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑल्सो आ जाता है ना, कि डिसिप्लिन
Yeah,
वो बहुत
yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है। नहीं बढ़िया, नहीं पर आजकल के बच्चे, मैं जब भी बात करता हूँ उनसे, वो इतना इतना है नहीं, डिजिटल में ज़्यादा स्पेंड है, और कोई स्पोर्ट उन्होंने पहले भी नहीं खेला है, मतलब बचपन से स्क्रीन में ही बैठे हैं, ऑल दैट।
Yeah. I mean,
आई थिंक हमारी जनरेशन लास्ट है जिसने बिफोर इंटरनेट।
I feel like Gen Zs are still, you know,
या
like 2010 tak they're still into sports. Like abhi if I go to the gym right now, I will see most of like teenagers there.
हाँ
I see a lot of teenagers in the gym I go to. So they're into fitness, but they're more in aesthetically, you know. They want more
इंस्टाग्राम,
aesthetics than
इंस्टाग्राम पे,
actually being fit.
नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करने के लिए और वो सब फ्लॉन्टिंग टाइप
Yeah.
ज़्यादा हो जाता है। इट्स गुड।
Like they want it to be aesthetically pleasing, but not actually. They're not. Sometimes they'll do the exercises, but they're not doing it right, and they're just harming them from inside. What can you do? Let them do what they want. They'll regret it even later.
आपकी एक चीज़ बताऊँ, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है, नॉर्मली मैं जब भी आता हूँ ना, तो दो चीज़ें तो बोलते ही लोग, ये कि आपके पीछे ये लगा हुआ है या इंस्टाग्राम है, इसके बारे में कुछ ना कुछ डायलॉग मारेंगे, या सनग्लासेस से बोलेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ मेरे को डायलॉग मिलता है। आपने कुछ भी नहीं मेंशन किया, मैं वो सरप्राइज था कि भाई
No, I noticed the drawings at the back. They're good.
नो यू नोटिस बट यू डिडंट से दैट, वरना मेरे को हर 3-4 सेकंड में कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है डायलॉग, तो वो था थोड़ा सा यूनिक। नहीं पर ओमी टीवी पे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस गया आपको? कोई ढंग के लोग मिले यहाँ पे, अच्छी बातें हुई?
मिलते हैं, काफी सारे मिले हैं पहले. Most of the time, it's just I skip like the people I think that are weird, you know.
भाई जो मैंने देखा है ओमी टीवी पे, आई थिंक ये कहाँ लोग आते हैं. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ उनके साइकी में चल क्या रहा है, ये दिखा के अब प्राप्त क्या करना चाहते हो जिंदगी में, हैं?
Nothing. They need someone, I guess.
नहीं समवन, देख एक होता है, आई अंडरस्टैंड यू आर वेरी डेस्परेट, वेरी सिंगल इन योर लाइफ, पर ये दिखा के या अगर कोई इंटरेस्टेड भी
You're
होगा
just
छोड़
gonna
के
get
चल
sick.
जाएगा.
They're just getting sick.
हाँ
They're not actually like no one's staying.
हाँ, मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कौन रुक
Watching
रहा है भाई.
whatever they're doing.
हाँ कौन रुक रहा है
No
यार.
one's. Did you draw those, by the way?
या
They're
स्केचेस.
they're good. Are you an artist?
ट्राइंग टू बी हॉबी.
I used to draw. अब नहीं करती. I used to. अभी टाइम ही नहीं है.
नहीं, बैडमिंटन बढ़िया चल रहा है आपका. यहाँ पे घंटों भर बैठ बैठ के चलता रहता है. इट्स बेटर, बैडमिंटन इज मच बेटर देन दैट. कोई टिप्स वेप्स अगर मेरे को बैडमिंटन में, इफ आई वांट टू बी गुड, क्विक टिप्स.
I mean, आप कैसा खेलते हो? I can
बढ़िया.
give you tips based on that.
नहीं पर कुछ.
Maybe like not like that.
हाँ
Do you play singles, doubles?
सिंगल आई
Like, just for
प्रेफर.
fun.
नहीं आई प्रेफर सिंगल ओनली, पर डबल्स में भी खेल लेता हूँ मैं. मैं बताता हूँ कि हम कॉलोनी में खेलते हैं, हमारे हैं जने 12-15 जो लोग, तो फिर ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है. तो उनमें से आई कम लाइक सेकंड और थर्ड और समथिंग, तो वैसा है.
Oh, that's good. I'd say be physically fit, honestly. Stamina is key. I've learned that the hard way, honestly. I've learned it the hard way.
अच्छा.
So, yeah.
बैडमिंटन में
That's my.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अब फिर है ना, जैसे यू आर प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन राइट, तो आप बोल रहे हो कि एक्सरसाइज करना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो फिर आप कार्डियो ज़्यादा करते होंगे, वेट ट्रेनिंग थोड़ी ज़्यादा करते होंगे.
Nay, it's equally balanced. It's more to the cardio side because you need endurance, right? You can get tired that easily. Especially like अगर आप singles खेलते हो, if you're having long rallies, you're just running around the court, right? You need stamina for that. And it's 21 sets. I've played 9 sets in a row
Damn.
of 21. And like I'm pretty sure they all went to 3 sets. So like 9 games, 3 sets. Times 3. What is that? 27 sets in total.
ये भाई
Of
बहुत लंबा
21
है.
points. So you need endurance, and I learned it the hard way because the very first time I played, like in the regionals of Ontario, I went to the finals, and then I played three sets before my finals games, and here it's like when you're, how do I explain this? If the person in the final, if the person you're going against in the finals has not lost any games, because there's two brackets, right? You have a losing bracket, you have a winner's bracket, you have a loser's bracket. I was in the loser's bracket, so I finished my game, and then 5 minutes after, I had my finals game, and the girl I was playing against in the finals, she hadn't lost any games, so I had to play two full games with her. So our first game went up to 3 sets. I won that game. But then I was so like tired because I played 6 sets in a row, right? And it was like I think 9:30 at night. And I was there from 7 to almost 10:30 at night. So after that, the teacher comes up to us and tells us that you have to play another game. I was like in tears because I thought I won the whole like tournament, right? And then I had to play another game, and that game I lost by like 3 points.
ओ भाई कितना क्लोज भाई, इतनी मेहनत करने के
Because of
बाद.
my stamina, I got tired after that, and because of my stamina, I lost 3 points. And yeah, I didn't get anything for that. I just placed second. Yeah, and then I learned that the hard way, and after that, I started working out and like doing more cardio and stuff to like get my endurance. So like in grade 12, I went to like provincials. Yeah,
हम्म,
we call it opposite here.
नहीं तो जो
The endurance is key.
हम्म,
You need to.
हाँ वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर जो आपके फाइनल में थे तो उससे ज़्यादा आपने गेम खेले क्योंकि आप डिस्क क्वालिफाई नहीं हो पाए थे।
Yeah, I played 9 sets in a row
अच्छा,
in that on that day,
फाइनल वाले ने
and
कितना खेला?
I was there from 7 in the morning to 10:30 at night.
वो भाई सुबह से शाम, सुबह से रात।
Yeah, yeah. It was a full day tournament.
नहीं पर आपने 9 सेट्स खेले, फाइनल वाले ने कितने सेट्स खेले?
6.
अरे बाप रे।
Yeah, and she was a club player. I didn't play it at a club.
नहीं पर यू गेव अ फाइट, आई मीन लाइक 3 पॉइंट्स, इतना
Yeah,
एडवांटेज होने के बाद
my
भी।
movement was hot after that. Like I was in the zone, so I just kept playing. I didn't realize how tired I was. But then after I stopped playing, I was just sitting. I got into my car. I was sitting, and then I could start like feeling like the heavy. My body was like so heavy, and then we still had to go eat outside. And it was like 11:30 at night, and then the other day I had a school. I had a test, and I was so like, I was done with it. I was done. Like,
या नहीं तो आप सेकंड आए ना, सेकंड थर्ड आप में होता होगा ना, सेकंड थर्ड पोजीशन।
yeah, I was second.
अच्छा, नहीं पर अगेन लाइक आपने 9 सेट्स खेले, उसने 6 सेट्स खेले, और फिर उसमें भी लाइक यू गेव अ फाइट,
Yeah.
हाँ सुबह से रात तक।
Yeah, and then after that I started doing it.
नहीं नहीं बढ़िया। ये 3 पॉइंट्स तो यार मेरे को भी निकल जाएगा, रोना आ जाएगा, अरे भाई 3 पॉइंट्स, सो क्लोज।
Yeah, but it was a good game. I played better than my own expectations. I started crying because I know I played better than what I could. No, I didn't care about like what I placed at that time. I was like, okay, I did better than I used to, and I wasn't tired. Like I didn't feel tired while I was playing, but then I felt like I kept getting more tired progressively as like I stopped playing it.
पर आपने तो
But
पूरी
it
जी
was
जान लगा दी ना, पूरी जी जान लगा के कि पूरा
Yeah.
जो भी है सब कुछ दे दिया, तो दैट इज
Yeah.
कूल। एक वो डर नहीं रहता है कि जैसे ये पूरा दिन आपको करना था, तो उससे पहले मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही है, ढंग से खाना नहीं खाया जा रहा, या फिर ऐसे होंगे ना कि ऑन द
I
डे
didn't
वाला
eat the
परफॉर्मेंस?
whole day. The only thing I ate was one apple. That's it. Throughout the whole day, I only ate one apple, and I played 9 sets after that.
क्यों? मतलब
Apple
खाने,
and water was all I had that day.
क्यों मतलब खानी, मतलब कुछ हल्का फुल्का कुछ खा नहीं सकते आप?
You can eat. It's just I didn't feel like I was always full like that. Because what happens is whenever I eat a lot, I can't play. Like I
हाँ हाँ वो
can't
तो
get my
होता है,
footwork
हाँ
right. 'Cause you're just too full.
हम्म।
So I didn't eat much that day, and I still managed to play second, which was
नहीं नहीं बढ़िया, भगवान करे आप फर्स्ट आ जाओ, बढ़िया, नाम रोशन करो।
hopefully.
नहीं आप सेकंड आ गए हो
अब
इतना।
तो यूनिवर्सिटी है, अब तो क्या
हाँ।
है यार, मेडल्स भी नहीं मिलते अभी तो,
अच्छा,
सीधा ट्रॉफी। Because now you have to. I've gone against universities in the States. Like sometimes our tournaments are in the States, so we have to go from here to there. Luckily, there's none next 3 months. There's nothing.
नहीं पर आपको बैडमिंटन को लेके कोई सपना है कि मुझे ये करना है बैडमिंटन में, या फिर प्रोफेशनली किसी को हराना है?
Not really. I just play badminton because it's been a hobby. Plus, like
I'm
I've
good at
been
it.
doing good, and it's a good physically. You stay physically fit, right? So I haven't gave up on it. Nothing like I don't want to like. If doctor stuff doesn't work out, I might go there, but
Okay.
that's just a plan B.
No, but it is like both badminton and like doctor, very time consuming efforts दोनों में ही बहुत ज़्यादा है लगाने वाला,
Yeah,
तो हाउ यू
that's true.
बैलेंस, तो ये तो आपके लिए बहुत चैलेंज होगा.
Yeah, but right now I'm not doing anything professionally. I'm just teaching. I play for fun
अच्छा,
and
आप
study.
इतनी यंग एज में कैसे
Just
टीच कर पा रहे हो, मेरे को ये बताओ. खुद तो 20.
because I used to go to the same club, right? I
अच्छा,
learned at that club and then they hired me to teach.
कितने टाइम में, कितना टाइम लगा आपको जाने में और फिर हायर्ड होने में?
Nee, I went there for 4 to 5 years now, right? So
अच्छा.
I was playing at high performance and that's the highest level they have there.
हम्म.
Right? So I teach there and then I just get better progressively, I say. Just gotta practice your skills, that's how you get better.
पर जैसे आपका ये फिर डॉक्टर का भी चल रहा है, फिर आप ये टीचिंग भी कर रहे हो, तो फिर खुद पे कैसे फिर टाइम लगा पाते हो कि मेरे को अपनी परफॉर्मेंस इम्प्रूव करनी है?
I do it at the same time when I teach.
अच्छा. ले.
Because I play with other people, right? Like
हम्म.
I don't I don't only teach. I don't just stand there teach. I do it myself as well.
हम्म.
Like I sometimes if I'm teaching high performance, I play against them because they are almost at the same level as I am. So it's
ओह ओके, देन तो
even
फिर
if I beat them, they're gonna get to learn, but I'm still gonna improve my game. You know? Yeah,
इट्स नाइस
that's
नाइस,
basically.
बढ़िया. बाद में मैंने, आई थिंक जो हम मैंने जिनके साथ खेला था ना, वो स्टेट में क्वालिफाई मतलब जीत चुके हैं. नेशनल का उन्होंने बस स्टेट तक उन्होंने खेला है. तो बस
Yeah.
पर वो बहुत क्रेजी गुड थे. वो लाइक ही वॉज इन कॉलेज ओनली, पर उन्होंने 11th-12th में बहुत खेला है. तो उनका गेम देख के तो मैं थोड़ा सा बहुत चक्का हो गया था. मैं क्या बोलता है कि वो होता है ना कि डैम, कि वो इतने गुड है कि
Yeah.
मैं बीट करना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो दैट्स गुड डूड, लाइक इट्स ओनली गोना हेल्प ओनली.
Yeah.
फिर तो आप.
Yeah, it's also the thing is my whole like most of my family members are also into badminton, so it just comes in my genes as
ओ
well.
बाप रे, सभी मतलब कौन कौन खेला है घर वालों ने?
So my dad used to play. He's good at sports in general. And then my grandfather, his dad used to play. My grandfather didn't play, but his dad used to play.
हम्म.
And then yeah, I don't know. After that, that's all.
ये तो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास आउट हो रहा है यार. मेरे को लगा कि कजन्स वजन्स और
Because
उसमें
my
खेलते.
dad is very athletic. Like
हाँ.
my dad used to play volleyball. He plays badminton right now. He used to play cricket, baseball, and everything. So it's just in my genes. Like in grade 8, I used to play like softball, track, volleyball, basketball. I used to play every sport they had.
बढ़िया.
So
बढ़िया यार. नहीं, पर मेरे को आपको
badminton just
आपको मेरे को लगा नहीं था. मेरे को लगा देख के कि हाँ नॉर्मल स्वीट लाइक है, पर इतना भयंकर लेवल पे कि भाई क्रेजी. आपका हाइट वेट कितना होगा? क्योंकि मेरी 6 फीट है, तो मुझे लगता है हाइट तो आपको हेल्प करती है बैडमिंटन में कहीं ना कहीं.
I think I am 5'6", 5'5".
ओके, या नॉर्मल एज,
I'm
लाइक
not that
नॉर्मल
tall.
हाइट. हाँ.
Taller than average, but I'm not that tall.
नहीं, लड़कियों की इतनी होती है यार, 5'5",
Yeah.
5'4", 5'5". आपका वेट कितना है? क्योंकि आप देखने में स्लिम ही लग रहे हो मेरे को.
I think 50 height.
ओके.
BMI, yeah.
नॉट बैड, नॉट बैड.
I'm actually underweight somehow.
यू आर अंडर वेट.
Somehow.
आई थिंक यू आर फिट.
My height, my
हाँ.
BMI is perfectly fine, but they call me underweight.
हाँ, मतलब मैं वो उस हिसाब से ही मैंने वेट इसलिए पूछा वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. आई थिंक यू आर फिट ओनली. आप आपकी हाइट 5'5" है और 50 kg है, तो फिट ही हुआ देखा जाए तो. आई डोंट थिंक बल्किंग हेल्प करेगी बैडमिंटन में.
No, I wouldn't. It's just gonna restrict your movement. You need to be flexible.
मुझे लगता है बैडमिंटन फिट या पतले लोग ज़्यादा बढ़िया खेलेंगे एज कम्पेयर टू समवन हु इज़ हेल्दी. उनको काफ़ी डिफिकल्टी आएगी.
I've been outside all day. I just got home.
अच्छा.
No. It's bulking is I wouldn't recommend it because then you're just restricting your movement. But
नहीं, पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
you need to be flexible for sure.
हाँ, फ्लेक्सिबल तो आपको
Yeah.
हेल्प करेगी, पर जनरली जो बंदे फिट या फिर पतले होते हैं उनको ज़्यादा बैडमिंटन बढ़िया खेलते हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू समवन थोड़ा ज़्यादा हेल्दी होगा, तो चैलेंज आएगा।
Not really.
नॉट
No.
रियली, मोटे लोग अच्छा करते हैं।
No. करते हैं कुछ लोग, but they would go in doubles. Singles नहीं खेलते इतना. They'd
अच्छा,
go in doubles because there's less movement.
तो फिर वो किस में अच्छे है,
But then
स्ट्राइक में
doubles
अच्छे
is
है?
like you need good reflexes.
अच्छा, नो
Because
बट
singles is like, it's slow, you get time. Doubles, you go back and forth like.
नो बट मेरे को डबल्स में ऐसा है कि अगर आपका पार्टनर अच्छा है तो फिर इट्स गुड, पर अगर आपका पार्टनर आपसे थोड़ा लोअर है, ठीक है, इट्स नॉट नॉट इतना, तो फिर मैं तो थोड़ा डोमिनेट करना शुरू कर देता हूँ कि सारी शटल मैं ही उठा रहा हूँ और वो सब।
It has to be an understanding between the two people.
देखो अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो सही है, पर वो सब आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना कि वो तो फिर देखने के बजा।
Nee, because it's rotations, right? You need the rotations.
हाँ हाँ
It doesn't matter if one's doing it or not. You have to have the rotations.
हाँ,
Rotations नहीं है, then you're not gonna do good in general.
देखो
Like
आप,
you can't just stay front and back, या
हाँ
side to side. You
आप
have to rotate
आप प्रोफेशनल लेवल की
according to
बात कर रहे
where
हो,
the other
मैं यहाँ नॉर्मल लेवल की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो डिफरेंस, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस।
Yeah, then it's different, but in general, I'm saying that if you're actually playing at like a club, like recreational or something, you need to have the understanding. If your partner is not understanding, make them understand that no, you have to have rotations.
वरना थक जाओगे
But
आप।
like, just look for the open spot. If this guy's on this side, and then there's an open space right, and you're right behind him, go there. It doesn't make sense to stay behind him.
बट बैडमिंटन बहुत फास्ट स्पोर्ट है, मतलब बहुत तेज़ी से आपको बहुत कुछ, पर इसमें इंजरीज ही बहुत भयंकर होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा। और
Yeah, injuries are very common in badminton.
आपको हुई है?
Yeah, many. I have a knee injury, ankle injury, tennis elbow.
टेनिस एल्बो क्या
It
होता
keeps
है?
coming back.
टेनिस एल्बो क्या होता है, मैंने बहुत सुना है।
Tennis elbow is basically, it's a pain right here. It's like whenever you can't lift much. Like it's hard to, like if I have to lift my phone. Like when I had it, I couldn't lift my phone like very
बाप रे।
quickly. It's just the muscles that are connected. Something with the muscles.
तो ये आप गिर गए
Yeah,
थे?
it's very common to have ankle, leg injuries,
वो तो ना,
arm, shoulder injuries and stuff.
नहीं तो ये जैसे टेनिस एल्बो आपने बोला, तो ये आप गिर गए थे या फिर क्या हुआ था?
No, it's just I don't even know what happened, honestly. I was playing and then the next day I started feeling it. Yeah.
और
You can't do anything.
अच्छा, आप कुछ कर नहीं पाते, बस उसको रेस्ट देना पड़ता है।
Yeah, you need to. I go to physio, right? I still go to physio. I still have to, because every time I play, it keeps coming back. You know, because it's these injuries usually happen. Like the arm injuries happen on the same arm, but leg injuries usually happen in the other leg, not the one that you're always lunging or like putting the pressure on. It's always the other leg. It's very common though.
और इसमें अगर एक कुछ ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गया तो फिर गेम से रिटायर होना पड़ेगा फिर।
Yeah, you have to.
नहीं, भगवान करे आपको, आप खेलते रहो बुढ़ापे तक खेलते रहो आप, कुछ ना हो आपको। नहीं तो बड़े ही है। बस मेरे को वही, हाँ, मेरे को कभी इंजरी इतनी सीरियस हुई नहीं है, तो बस वही ठीक लगता है।
Yeah, I've never been injured that seriously during a game. The only time I remembered I thought it was bad at that time was like I got a really bad cramp in like around my knee. And then and I couldn't play after that because like it was literally like I couldn't move my knee. Like, I had to have like a brace and then I was on crunches and stuff.
On crunches?
Other than that, I don't really. Yeah, because I couldn't like put pressure on that leg at all.
Damn.
It wasn't a fracture or anything. It wasn't a dislocation or anything. It was just like my muscles were too tight in that area,
हम्म।
and they would loosen up as well. So yeah,
यार आप
that's the only injury that was major.
मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ जैसे मैं कोई इंपॉर्टेंट गेम में हूँ, ठीक है, और इट्स लाइक बहुत सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट गेम है, और ये सडनली ऐसा कुछ हो जाए, तो मेरे को लाइक भाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग लाइक नोवेयर, लाइक इसमें आपका कंट्रोल भी नहीं है, फिर वो तो फिर भाई
Yeah.
बहुत ख़राब हो जाएगा दिमाग कि भाई मैंने इतने टाइम से मैं इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा था और सडन ऑन द डे ये कुछ हो गया।
I've seen something like that happen to one of my friends at Western Ontario Championships, like full Western Ontario Championships. He's from Woodstock. He also plays singles, and he was playing for the third place, like he was playing for bronze medal, and he got a really bad cramp in his thigh, and he literally just fell to the ground and he couldn't move and anything. But luckily, the lights went out after, like, because it was rainy. So the lights went out after that, and then they postponed it to like the week after, so he had time to recover from it. But other than that, he would have like lost that game because he got that injury, and he hadn't lost any games throughout, and that happened during his third place. Like if he won that game, he would have placed third, and then he would still have to play 2 other games. But then the lights went off as soon as he got the injury, so he got lucky. Just pure luck.
यार कुछ चीज़ें अब आपके हाथ में नहीं होती है, वो तो भाई
Yeah.
जो होना होता है वो हो लेता है, तो बेटर है भाई। मैंने आई वाज लिसनिंग टू अ पॉडकास्ट राइट, लाइक माउंटेन, I mean like the place I live in, I'm surrounded by mountains, so I do a lot of trekking and hiking and all that, right? So I was listening, like everyone loves mountain, right? So I was like listening, like he was telling stories about how to climb Everest and other things in that podcast.
Yeah.
If you love mountains, don't watch that podcast. Everything, the story he told like how people die, how people like frostbite, you know, like frostbite, like when
On
you
Mount Everest.
yeah like when you Mount Everest and all that, when you go and like frostbite हो जाती है ना, कि आपके हाथ जम जाते हैं और ज़्यादा जम जाते हैं तो काटनी पड़ती है उंगलियां, तो ही वॉज टेलिंग ऑल दैट ऑल्सो कि कैसे ये भी होता है, ही वॉज टेलिंग ऑल द थिंग्स टू टेल दैट यू शुडंट डू माउंटेनिंग, बट ही स्टिल दैट इट्स स्टिल पैशन। बट वो फिर आपको समझ में आता है, हमें लगता है कि माउंटेनिंग क्या है, क्लाइम किया नॉर्मल क्या हुआ, पर फिर व्हेन यू लिसन फिर तब पता चलता है कि हाउ मच फिजिकली ट्रेनिंग यू हैव टू डू, मेंटली भी बहुत ज़्यादा,
Yeah, you have to have a lot of training.
और दैट
I've
इज
seen videos for like people who go to like Mount Everest. They train for almost 4 months before actually going on that hike, and without even knowing if they're gonna come back or not. You
Yeah.
know, it's like,
लाइफ एंड डेथ।
which is crazy. Like, why
Yeah.
would you want to do that? From my point of view, like if you want to do that, go ahead. I'm not stopping you, but I don't see a point of doing that.
There is another
Like,
your voice is breaking,
feel like
your voice is breaking.
you're glitching. Yeah, yeah, my internet's bad. I know.
Is it from your side or my side? I'm not sure.
It's probably from my side. My internet has been bad.
Oh, okay. I thought it was from my side.
Sometimes acts.
No, tell like what were you telling starting से? I think सब कुछ ही miss out हो गया।
What was I saying?
नहीं, मैं माउंटिंग का बोल रहा था ना, फिर आप बोल रहे थे कि कितना मैंने लोगों को
Well, yeah,
देखा
I
है
was saying
4
like
महीने।
it's not worth it in my point of view. Like just
हाँ
go to a hill behind your house and then climb that and think you climbed Mount Everest, you
हाँ,
know?
पर फिर वो व्यू में मज़ा नहीं है ना, जो माउंट एवरेस्ट पे जो व्यू है।
No, you know what you can do? I've done it before.
हाँ
See, you can turn on like Snapchat or something, and then you can put on that filter of like Mount like Everest background, or like
हाँ तो
the take a selfie of yourself and then put a green screen behind you. You know?
फिर तो आप वीडियो इमेजेस मतलब वही देख लो, फोटो वोटो देख लो, फिर वो नहीं है ना.
Works for me, you know. Don't go to Mount Everest if you think you're gonna die.
नहीं, पर माउंट एवरेस्ट से भी एक और माउंटेन है. इट्स नॉट हाई, पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस माना जाता है. लाइक जो माउंटेन क्लाइम करते रहते हैं ना रेगुलरली, उन्होंने खुद
But
बोलता है.
still, why would you want to go there? if you know there's chances of dying, why do you want to go?
अब हो. Okay, I tell you, I can understand, right? But I am a person who regardless of what's gonna happen, I still gonna climb.
No, I'm not stopping you. You know, I'm not stopping them. It's just think about it again. Like,
Yeah,
know,
I
think
mean,
twice before you do it, because I don't think it's safe.
yeah. I mean, you are not wrong.
There are many
Yeah.
hills that are high. You don't have to go to Mount Everest. Like, it's a mountain. No,
Yeah.
what is there to see? Like, snow? There's here too. There's snow in BC. Go there, climb some hills.
No, but I tell you that again, I agree on that. But it is something that the process, like it's the world's tallest mountain, so it is the whole experience only. That climbing, preparing for, as you said, like 4 months and all that, putting that work, that dedication, focusing on that. Before Mount Everest, also you have to climb like 10 other mountains also to get ready and all that.
Yeah.
But you can again, like I think if you wanna die, if you can die like just sitting at home also. Something falling at you and you can just die also. That also could happen.
Yeah, but that's immediate death. It's not freezing to death. You're not gonna freeze to death.
I mean, depends.
No.
No, freezing also.
Freezing to death is, trust me, not fun. And your family not finding your bodies. I don't think you want that.
It's reminding of me of the podcast. He was telling the similar story. Okay, he was
I've
telling.
probably seen the podcast then, because
No, but he was telling similar story that okay, I tell you some parts of it. So like they were camping, right? So it was a second base. I mean there have been like couple of bases. So that was second base. There is a ground base, the first base and second base. So second base takes a lot of time to what?
is here. My food is here. I have to go eat.
Oh, okay, no worries.
I'm so
Enjoy
sorry,
your
I'm
food.
cutting you off right now.
No. I
I
was
have to go eat. My
I
food is here.
no. Okay, please enjoy your food. I mean, I really enjoyed our conversation. I mean, if you wanna connect, we can connect on
Yeah, it was
Instagram.
fun.
No, I'm saying we can connect on Instagram next time if we are comfortable. We can connect and talk some in future. Can you see
Alright,
Instagram?
see ya. Nice talking to you.
No, can you see the Instagram?
I'll
Can you
s-
read it?
Hold on, I'll get it to you. No, I can't.
Tell is like is it mirror?
Huh? Aye!
How's it mirror?